Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is AirPod 4th generation ANC. I'm purchasing this product here in local electronic store Power. The product price is 1599 Danish krona. Inside the box, which types of product we are receiving and how to connect this product on my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and how we receive the voice and which types of voice you are receiving. This is an active noise cancellation product, so we can see detailed demonstration in this video. So let's start demonstration. This is a box. So here the model related information is available. Here active noise cancellation. So we can just simply open the box. Inside the box we are receiving here the magic booklet. All information is available here if you want to use, but no one are use this one. And here is our product. So we just simply remove this one, and then box is empty. It's very lightweight. This is an active noise cancellation, so little speaker is also available here in this particular AirPod. One of the best things, you can very easily charge using C type of charging cable. Previously I have in same product like a first generation, and that one is a lightning cable. So that point of view I'm purchasing this one. And look at this here, size is also a little small compared to previous product. This year they are not providing any kind of button here, so you just simply use without button, and you can very easily pair this AirPod of your other Apple product. So how to pair? So we can see this is my iPhone 16 Pro Max and this is AirPod 4th generation. I just simply open here and let's see, or we can open here the setting. Inside the setting, look at this here, the AirPod 4 is showing. You can click here and very easily connect this one. Look at this here, what is the new of AirPod? Response by moving your head or improve voice quality. We can go continue and yes, turn it on. So the feature is turn it on here, and after that if you click here, the product related information here, the off noise control is off, but we can see here the noise cancellation AirPod, both the AirPod. First of all I wear in my ear, I put it here both side of AirPod and then click. So now is active voice noise cancellation is starting. So noise cancellation control both phones, like transparency and noise cancellation is going on. Noise control Shri noise control is going on here. So here one of the best things, you can press here or end call press twice button is available here. You just simply press here and then click. Showing here this here, they are not just press little and then working properly. Personalized volume, conversation awareness, adopt the filter is available here. The active noise cancellation, microphone automatically, the product and then serial number, disconnect, and here the coverage information is also showing here, expiry and all. So this is one of the best thing to very easily connect this AirPod. Now we can see which types of voice we can record using this AirPod and my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So guys, if you really like this unboxing, and now especially I am recording this remaining video using this AirPod. So look at this here, the right hand side ear and left hand side ear, and which types of voice you are receiving here. And even previously I am receiving some of the noise outside the area, but now I am not receiving like a 0% noise in my ear. So currently I am speaking something without facing any kind of hurdle. So if you are in airport, train or train station or public area, so you can very easily speaking which what you exactly telling your manager, team or someone special using this AirPod. So this is the new features Apple are introducing, the active noise cancellation and the AirPod series. So that one is really interesting. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.